Rule for filling the electrons in orbitals. Orbitals are filled in the order of increasing value of n plus L. This means that between 3d and 4s orbital, 4s is filled before 3d. So 4s will be the lowest orbit than the 3d orbit. So first, suppose if 12 electrons are there, means first 2 electrons will be occupied in 1s orbital, next 8 electrons will be occupied by 2s, then only 2p, next only it will be occupied by 3s. So if 2 orbitals first it complete the lower energy level, then it will go to the higher energy level. If 2 orbitals have the same value of n plus L, then with the lower n will be filled first. Thus between 2p and 3s, which will be filled first? 2p and 3s, which will be filled first? 2p will be filled before 3s. 2p will be filled before 3s, because if 2 is there, means what will be the n plus L value? N plus L value is 3. So, and what is the n value for 3s? 3s is n plus L value is 3. So, in this compared to the 2p will be filled and before 3s. So, here down they have given this energy level: 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s. This is the increasing order of energy level. This you have to learn it. So 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p. So this is the increasing order of energy level. This you have to learn. So this orbitals will be filled according to this energy level. This is increasing order of energy level. So which is the lowest energy level? 1s. Next one is 2s. After this 2p. After the 2p, 3s. After the 3s, what happened? 3p. After the 3p, it will not go to 3d, it will go to 4s. So this energy level filling will be depend on n plus L value. So when you see this, you have to draw the arrow line horizontal. If write, you practice, you write in a paper and practice. 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, and first 1s you strike, next 2s, next 2p. It will go in such a way. So from left to, we will fill the lines from left to right. Left will be filled first, then right will be filled. So filling Offer principle. What do you mean by Offer principle? It means that electrons fill the energy level first before filling the higher energy level. So first lower energy level will be filled and higher energy level will be filled. So this learn the energy level order. So all those elements which is present in the periodic table depend upon this electronic configuration. Look at here. First which electron will be, which shell will be filled? 1s. Next one 2s. Afterwards 2p, then 3s. 3s afterwards 3p, next 4s. 4s afterwards only 3d, 4p, 5s. So you practice, just you can draw and practice and just work out possible electronic configuration of known element by using the periodic table. So it goes in such a way, left to right. First 1s, next 2s, 2p, next 3s, 3p, next 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s. This is the way the electrons will, just you practice, children. What is Offer principle is given. You can read this content. What is Offer principle? First complete lower energy level will fill, next higher energy level will be filled. Okay. Did you understand? The principle is very very important. Offer principle definition you have to learn, and Pauli's exclusion principle. These two principles we will learn today. Practice those all those electronic configuration. So this offer principle was given by Niels Bohr. It's the increasing direction of increasing order of n plus L value. Increasing order of n plus L value. Top one n value. What is n plus L value? Next is energy level 2 orbital 2 energy level 2. What is increasing n plus L value? What will be third level n plus L value? N value is the principal quantum number. L value is the azimuthal quantum number. So increasing order. Near the nucleus, lower energy. Away from the nucleus, higher energy. This energy graph, if you see this x-axis, y-axis, n is there and energy is there. So on increasing n, energy also increases.